everybody, I just wanted to show you all this space that we have since freed up. No longer do we need that egg crate right there because all of the eggs now fit in this right here. Now we do have little urban chickens out there, and so we always want to be cycling to ensure that we are eating, putting the freshest on the one at the end. Does that make sense? So we're always rotating correctly. So now the moment of truth, because I'm not sure if this thing is gonna crack. It's a little wet because I just washed it, so it looks nice on camera. Here we go. Ready, set, and release. Oh boy, that dropped really hard, but it didn't crack. Did this one crack? Oh wait, it did. Oh, this one right there did crack. Well, that's lame. Okay, so there you go. I just compromised one of my chicken eggs to show you that if it's not full all the way, and if you drop it back as sort of like one of those battery rotator type things, then it will crack. That's kind of lame. So, you know, the purpose of this is to put, you know, the new ones here and rotate it. So I guess the basics of this design is they want you to put it in that direction, which doesn't make sense. Anyway, I guess if you gently put it right over there and then gently set it down like so, then it won't crack. But anyway, just put my egg on the line so that you don't have to, and you don't have to compromise one of your eggs. Just be gentle putting it in. It does clear up a lot of real estate, which is absolutely fantastic. Just be careful with those eggs.